know what you're probably thinking. What the heck are we doing in your garage? This is not a travel video. But this is necessary. So I'm not always going to be traveling, so I want to experiment with the type of content that I'm going to put on the channel when I'm not traveling. So I thought that organizing and home projects would be a good idea. We'll see how it goes. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, anything down below. It really does help out the channel. And with that being started, I'll show you why we're in the garage. So this is my garage. And it's supposed to be a 2-car garage, but it's so full of stuff that we can't fit 2 cars in here. And I've never had a garage my whole adult life. Actually, my whole life I've never had a garage. So this is a first for me. It's uncharted territory. And my car is pretty long. Like, it's a Subaru Outback, so it's very close to the wall. We go back here, open the hatch, get the groceries, and go inside if needed. And then I have a decent amount of room here, right? So the plan is I'm going to get this car out of here. We're going to organize this, and hopefully I'll be able to fit a Zell's car in this spot. But as you can see, I've got a lot of work ahead of me. Alright, I think my first plan of attack, I'm going to clean out this little section. I've got these shelves that I got from a yard sale, or actually got it from my dad. I'm going to see how they fit over here and see how I like it. So this here, this is my fat tire bike. I haven't used this since I dislocated my knee, and I miss it, but that's for another video. This is an apple picker, our old house. We used to have an apple tree. We'll still use this. We've got apple orchards around here that we can go to. These shelves came with the house. I'm not really sure what they're supposed to be used for. This, I actually think I might sell this. This is a cover for the Subaru's trunk. I just don't use it because every time I put the dogs in there, I have to remove it. And when it's in there, I don't really cover anything in there anyways, so I don't really see the benefit of it. But it came with the car, so I'll put this over here. This here, this thing is leaking bar and chain oil. I bought this last year. We had to cut down a tree at our other house, our old house. And now I got a mess to clean up here. The other thing is with this house, I don't really have any outside storage. The garage is the only storage. This is fishing. So what I'm doing right now is anything that needs to be grouped together, I'm putting in the middle of the garage so we can get it organized. Like I put all those shelves by each other. This is fishing, so I got fishing poles wherever in here somewhere. I'll put them all in the same pile so when I go to organize it, it's not all over the place like it currently is now. This, I'm thinking this could go here. But here's my dilemma. I didn't put these up here, so I don't know how sturdy they are. And I parked my car right here. So if this falls on my car, it's going to be a very bad day. So I'm going to put it here for now while the car's not in here. We'll see how it goes. I mean, it's not moving. We don't have earthquakes, so I think it would be all right. Well, that's where she's going for now. We'll see if she stays. these for free. Nice. This one had a bit of a wobble. It's not wobbly anymore. So let's get this cleaned off and moved over there, and we'll see how it looks. Oh, aren't these so nice? I got these from my dad, and they're the best way to organize your electrical cords, and they're multi-purpose. I also use them to organize my power cord. I should really put this, I think I'm going to put this in the camper. This is more of a camping item. What's nice about the camper is a lot of the stuff that we use for camping, I was able to store in the camper. So when I want to go camping, I can just plug and go. I don't have to, you know, what's annoying about camping is packing the car, making sure you're having everything, make sure you didn't forget something. So I'm going to make a camper pile, and everything that needs to go in the camper is going to go in the camper and not take up space in my garage. Now, while this technically is a camper item, I'll be leaving all of the food storage and water storage items in the garage because I'm going to need to get them every time we go camping. I can also use this fishing, parades, any kind of thing like that. So this will be staying in the garage. This will be going in the camper. Oh, yeah. We picked this up for the camper. What's nice about this is really long. You can probably fit 3 sausages on here. And the stick is very long. So, nice camper find. And then, this is an example of poor cord organization. I need to get this straightened up. I won't bore you with that though. Alright. If you're Filipino, you know what this is. So Azel made this. It's got teeth on it. Now before I tell you what it is it? Comment down below if you know. Alright, this is for coconut flesh. So you sit on it like this, you get your round coconut and you scrape it like this. Fresh coconut flesh can be very hard, and not from the young coconut, obviously, but from the old, mature coconut. And this is used to scrape it. So this is going to go in the house, and she can figure out a place to go because it doesn't belong in the garage. I think this, if I remember right, can hold like 400 pounds. This one's heavier duty. This one fits. Nice. Perfect. I've got the perfect use for this. Now, if it does leak, if the screw comes loose, any kind of mishap with this, it's not all over my floor, it's in a tray. Isn't that a great idea? So I bought this canvas sail cleaner because it says removes dirt, grease, and mildew stains, safe for sails, canvas, and fabrics. I want to try and use this on the tops of the camper. I tried like a soft mild soap, which is what they recommended, and it wasn't working. This is concentrated, so I'm going to try this, and I might make a video about that because I've been struggling. So this hose, it's called an X-Hose Pro. I got 150 feet hose for 40 bucks or 45. It's like an $80 hose at the hardware store. So I got a really good deal on this. This will come in use when I'm cleaning the cars, power washing, things like that. And a bunch of party supplies from when I planned a surprise casino party. I think I'm going to donate this. It's been 6 years since I've had it and I haven't used it, so it's gone. I've got this giant filing cabinet that we picked up at an estate sale that's currently covered up with these pieces of wood, and this thing is massive and heavy. It's probably like 100 pounds. We had to have 2 guys help us get it loaded in the back of the SUV. But I know, I keep moving these. This is inefficient. I just don't know what to do with these right now. I think I might put them in the basement because I don't have a spot for them, but I don't want to get rid of them. But this filing cabinet is really deep. And I thought this would be good for the garage. I don't know what purpose, but I thought maybe I could put my screws in here and make different cubbies. Because screws are like my arch nemesis. But with that being said, this thing weighs, this thing weighs a lot and is pretty deep. Let me measure it and see how big this is. Yeah, it's 27 inches in depth. I mean, that's some serious space. I'm gonna put that over here. Yeah. Oh. Camera's starting to yell at me because it's starting to overheat because it's hot out here. So I think what I might do is finish this up and show you the finished product because I think you've seen enough of me talking and moving stuff. All right, we're finally at a point where I think I can pull the cars in. All this stuff over here, all this needs to go in the basement or in the house. So I ended up putting a lawnmower here. This gives me just enough space with that shelf here, and that way I can keep the shelf and hopefully still fit Azal's car. So you walk up here, you've got the filing cabinet, car washing stuff, freezer. Then this will all be empty when I bring it downstairs. Then you got the shelving. And then here I moved that ladder because I really wasn't comfortable because I'm going to be putting my car there, right? And all of these have space here. So none of this is on the edge. I put the shovels all the way in the back, and then the stuff on the edge is just the plastic stuff. So if that falls, hopefully it won't cause any damage. I don't think it's gonna fall, it's just my paranoia. Anyways, but over here, we've got 2 more of these hooks. So I put the ladder over here, nice and out of the way, up off the ground. Then this is all the shelving here. Again, I'm gonna reorganize, but this is, the purpose of this was just to get both cars in here, get all the junk out. I didn't touch any of this, I just moved it over there. So yeah, it's a lot more room, but we'll see if both cars will fit. Well, unfortunate news. Even if I got rid of these shelves over here, and pulled it all the way up, got rid of all of this here, I'm very limited because of these stairs. These stairs stop literally right here. So we would have to move these stairs this way. I don't even know how many inches. Garage door comes down about here, right where this is, but this bows this way. All right, well I got the car cleaned, the garage cleaned, I got this in here. Kind of, I guess the upside is I could potentially maybe redo these stairs and move them this way, get it as far as we can from the door maybe. We could probably clear a foot, I guess. The stairs would just be narrower, but that's not going to be a project for today. So if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.